This is a nice video to get a look at the idea behind the disk method and how you would use disk to estimate the volume of an odd shape such as this one. So I have the 3D shape drawn already. You'll see as I play the video that there's a graph on here, a parabola opening downward, and that's what was rotated around to find the shape. Now the idea of the disk method is that I would take this shape and I would slice it up into disks that would represent my volume, right? I would find the volume of each one of these disks. The problem is that if you look at these, we treat them like cylinders when we're actually calculating the volume, and it's not quite a cylinder. You know, we're kind of treating it like this. You know, we're neglecting that little angled portion at the top, and so you can see, you know, that's where the error would come if you didn't have enough slices. But as this will show you, you can get a look at how the disks work. But then, as the video goes on, I'll go ahead and increase the number of slices so that you can see that as we slice it up more and more, the actual shape of our slices is going to get closer and closer to cylinders. And as it gets closer to cylinders, that's how our volume becomes accurate. So now I've increased the number of slices. Take a look at it one more time. This program just allows you to stretch them out, space them out so you can see, you know, how they're stacking up. And then I'll increase the slices even more. This is the maximum the program allows. And you can stretch these out. And if you get a look at these, they're still not perfect. I mean, we still have to put many more slices than this. But if you look at the error, if I were to, you know, look at the side and treat this now like a cylinder, that approximation of the volume is much closer than the original one that we looked at. And that's the idea of really integration in general, is that as we add more and more slices, more subdivisions, our end result is going to be getting more and more accurate. And let's be honest, this thing just looks pretty cool, so I'm going to let it finish playing. You can see all the different angles.